Alright, so it looks like we did find some pretty decent support off this box. As you can see from where we touched it at the bottom to the top here, we've moved up 64%. Only problem though is right now we're finding resistance yet again in the Ichimoku cloud. And you can see the last times we found resistance in the Ichimoku cloud during this downtrend, we found some pretty significant rejections, as you can see here, as well as back here. The more often we test the Ichimoku cloud within this range, the more likely we're going to break through it, especially since the cloud isn't getting smaller. Turn on the EMA ribbon, you can see it's coiling up and it almost looks like it's about to turn green. If we manage to keep trading higher from here and kind of stair step through this range, we'll definitely see a green EMA spread here in a couple days. Let's take a look at the 4-hourly chart, and you can see that we actually found support off the cloud, which is a good sign. If this continues to offer support in the next bounce, we could very well see an uptrend forming. Zoom in here and turn on the EMA ribbon. You can see it's been providing support throughout this range for the most part. We did have a couple fake outs to the downside. We managed to test this 200 EMA, which sent us back upwards. It's a good sign. So to sum things up, we have this zone of resistance up here, we have the Ichimoku cloud here, and we have the 200 daily EMA also moving within this range here. So for a move to 6 cents to happen, we're definitely going to have to break this Ichimoku cloud. It is getting smaller and we're testing it more frequently, so the chances of breaking through it become more and more likely. And I would expect that we find some decent resistance within this range, considering we have this box here as well as the 200 EMA, but it also depends on how soon we break through this. If it takes a while to break through this and come up here, we could very well reject off the 200 EMA if it comes down somewhere like this and not even make it all the way up here. I would definitely be getting cautious around this area, as it is one of the few places that SLP has been held up during its downtrend. So I expect to find some decent resistance here in an uptrend. Another thing we'll have to do is break this previous high, but we might not have that much trouble with it, especially if we manage to break through the cloud. For the bearish, really this green box has to hold, like I've been saying in my previous videos. If we break this green box, we could very well sweep the low again, if not break it. This is all I have for Smooth Love Potion today. This is not financial advice. I'll see you in the next one.